देखा कि Flutter and Dart plugin has been set up, and we are going to open an existing project that we are discussing. The name of the project is demo, right? So now, we will going to import that project in VS Code. Then we will run on Android, sorry, iOS simulator. Okay. So go to file, for importing the project. Go to file, open, uh, open. Then I have that project in the user directory. Then this one, the project name was demo. So I'm selecting it and open this project. So the project will be open in our VS uh, code. Here you can see the project structure. So in this session we will directly run this project on our connected device, uh, that is iOS simulator. So I'm going to run it, this project. Then go to run. Here in the header bar there is an option of run. Then I'm using run without debugging. So click on this. It is asking me the environment, so Dart and Flutter. First time it will ask for the environment which you are going to run your project. Like, so I'm using Dart and Flutter project, and it will be run on the simulator, right? So for running the simulator I have already connected this simulator with the VS code. Here you can also connect your Android device with VS code. So we will see that also later. Go to run, and then select Dart and Flutter. So it will take some time to generate the build of iOS. Then the result will come on the simulator. So after this, after run build on this simulator, I will connect this VS code with Android devices, and will run the same project on Android devices. First time it is taking some time, then it will be fast the second time, because the VS code has the hot reload. Export will done. Then the project will open here. So the same project which we have seen, uh, there we are going to execute by terminal. The same project we have opened on the VS code, that is IDE for Flutter, and we are running uh, with the connected device, on the connected device, right? So this is all about VS code plus connected iOS device. So in the next session we will see the this project will run on the connected Android device. Thank you, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel and like or comment the video. Thanks for watching.